going on YouTube? It's your girl Beverly J. Hey, and I am back once again with another YouTube video. So I know I've been gone for so long, and a lot of people, not a lot, but like several people have been hitting me up and it's like, when you gonna upload another YouTube video? When you gonna do another YouTube video? I've been busy. So I've been busy and I've been lazy, so cut me some slack, you know what I'm saying? But now I'm back and I want to show you guys what I created using Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette. And I also use BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil for those of you that also have this palette. So if you guys are interested in seeing the way I created this nice icy look, please stay tuned, but do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you are new. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Peace. So what's going on, you guys? I don't know if you guys can hear me, but the fan is on. It's so damn hot, so I'm not turning it off. I'm gonna try to talk as loud as possible, but I haven't been recording because the girl been busy working. I'm not gonna lie, I've really been lazy too, so I just said whatever. But I'm back, you know, and I need to record for you guys, because if I don't, who will? A lot of you guys looking for summertime look, you know, because I am I'm over here trying to create summertime look. So I'm gonna create with y'all, you know. So like I said, it's gonna be a hot girl summer, so we trying to create looks that's bad, you know, yet not so hot, you know. It's too much. So I'm gonna start off. I was thinking about, my best friend let me use her Blue Blood palette. I really didn't want this palette, but hey, beggars can't be choosers, you know what I'm saying? Because I be using the same palettes all the time, and I know you guys want to see different palettes. So I'm going to try to create a look using blue. First is from my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I am going to use right here underneath this purple in the palette. Go to the Blue Blood Pallets by Jeffree Star, and I'm going to take I'm Cold and just blend out this blue. It's right here, and it's called I'm Cold. I'm going to just try to blend out this blue as much as possible. So it actually, this is really nice. Using a clean, fluffy brush to blend out these two blues together to make sure it's just like really blended out. I want this cut crease to be more darkened, so I'm going to add more of that blue from BH Cosmetics onto the crease and then blend it back out with that clean fluffy brush. I'm going to go back in with my fluffy brush and just kind of blend that out just a little. Go in with a nice flat brush, using the product on a brush, and just, you know, make sure my cut crease is really like cut. Now I'm gonna take my finger and kind of fade this away into the blue, just like that. I'm going to just add a little bit more of this white on top of it. The Blue Blood palette, and we're going to just pack on this shade called Entitled right here. So cute. take that same blue that we packed into the crease and just fade out the ends of this cut crease. How the eye came out, and I'm so loving it. I did touch it with the black a little bit, so it like really enhanced the cut crease a little bit more, but I think it really looked cute. Do y'all see it? Really cute. I like it a lot. First time using this palette, or along with BH Cosmetics taking back to Brazil. I think these palettes go head to head, especially using the blues from this palette. But I'm gonna do this eye off camera and I'm gonna be right back. Okay you guys, so this is how my eyes came out. I did mess up, so I had to like I tried to do a white wing. It wasn't working, so I had to erase it, go back again, and do everything all over. So I was kind of upset, but I ain't let it get to me. As usual, I'm gonna do a speed up, so keep watching. So now that I got that workout out the way, I'm joking, but now since I got everything out the way, I'm gonna go back to the eyes and apply that underneath the eye. And just like that, we got that blue underneath the eye. Now we're gonna take that color that we put inside our cut crease and pack that onto our inner corner. Just like that. My eyelash is lifting up. I don't know if it's... So now let me do my lip gloss for face. So you guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy this nice blue blood look that I have created. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you guys are new. Without further ado, peace.